My name is Taylor West. This is my second session as a graduate student here at Bradman after taking a very long break from my first session. So I feel like I'm new all over again, getting back into the groove of things. I anticipate scheduling a practicum for August of 2022. With my master's degree, I'm just hoping for more opportunities and ways to serve, children and families. I currently work with children and families through a community-based mental health agency. So maybe looking into something like a private practice or just, I'm not really positive. I just want to see what else is out there. Yeah. Through this class, I just really look forward to hearing others' perspectives and point of views, gain more knowledge and cultural competency, and yeah, just again develop more knowledge and expand opportunities. So.